I'm back. Welcome to my Sujata Foodaholics. I am thinking to have a quick bite this time. So I'm making cheese balls. But today I'm going to show you how to make the cheese balls veg as well as non-veg. So let's have a look for the ingredients. This is mashed potato of 2 big size. This is sweet corn only of 100 grams. This is 1 big size chopped onions. This is coriander chopped, and this is green chili chopped. This is green chili of 2 big size, half capsicum chopped. This is 4 cloves chopped, and this is ginger paste. To make the binding, we are using breadcrumbs and here corn flour. And I'm using 3 masalas. One is chili flakes and one is oregano, and this is black pepper powder, and this is the cheese cubes, which are very important. Let's start. Put oil in the pan, chopped onions, garlic, capsicum, chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Fry it till it turns golden brown. Adding sweet corn, mashed potato, half teaspoon of black pepper, chili flakes, oregano, roasted masala, salt and sugar to taste. Fry it well till it dries up. Add chopped coriander. Now let's see how to prepare the cheese balls. Let's have a look. See, I have made the balls like this. First, we have to make a bowl type and put inside this cheese cube and fold it like this. Just make a small hole and put 1 cheese inside and cover it well so that the cheese doesn't come out. Now I will be adding just a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of salt to this corn flour. We'll make a thick, not too runny, not too thick batter. Yes. This should be the butter. Okay, now let's dip this cheese ball into this and put it in the breadcrumb. Cover it nicely and this is done. Same way we have to do the other three. Heat oil in the pan. Fry the wet cheese balls well. In addition to this, to make chicken cheese balls or the non-veg cheese balls, here I have used 200 grams minced chicken and here mashed potato, again 2 big sizes, and for binding I'm going to use an egg. After frying all the same ingredients which was used for veg cheese balls, putting minced chicken into it. Adding sugar, salt and garam masala as per taste. Fry it well. Adding mashed potato, half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of chili flakes. Fry it well. Put half teaspoon of black pepper, chopped coriander. In this egg batter, I will be adding a pinch of pepper and a pinch of salt, and then beat it properly. Yes. Now it is time to make the cheese balls, chicken cheese balls. Add the cheese cube into the ball, coating in an egg batter, and then the breadcrumbs. These are the ingredients required to make veg cheese balls as well as chicken cheese balls. My cheesy delicious cheese balls is ready. I can't wait to taste it. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye friends.